Hiya, welcome back. So on to my January monthlies, and starting out with my 05 micron pen for my outline. This is my calendar page. I did a 2-page spread for December, which I enjoyed, but I do feel that it's a slight waste of page, so reverting back to my 1-page calendar, which is a bit awkward because each of the columns are 3.5 dots to get you 7 days of the week in. Feels really strange doing January and talking about the new year. I'm actually recording this on Christmas Eve, so yeah, technically still in 2020, but doing my 2021 bullet journal setup. So onto a slightly thicker nib for the lettering. And I went a little bit bright with, if you've seen my previous video, which is my my initial pages in my new journal for 2021, I went a bit sort of bright and bold, and I decided for my January setup I'd go a little bit more subtle, so you can see the grey Tombow that sat there on the table. And as usual, I managed to find a matching washi tape. Days of the week. Sorry, that didn't focus. It's the lighter grey. As I say, a little bit more subtle. I'll jazz it up again for my weeklies. So this video is focused on my planning pages, which is my calendar, my to-do list, my spend tracker, and my meal planner. My next video will be my main trackers, so my sleep tracker and my health tracker, and also my gratitude log. So if you don't want to miss those, be sure to subscribe to catch the next video. But back to this one. So my to-do list, it's one that I started a couple of months ago, and obviously I pull things through from my future log into my monthly calendar, birthdays and appointments and what have you. But this to-do list is pretty much the next place that I would put anything. So it's a single place that I put everything, and then it moves from here either into the monthly or a weekly if I've prepared those, or perhaps back into the future log for a corresponding month. But I just like that one place to put everything to begin with, and then once I've placed it elsewhere, I cross it off the list here. It's just nice to have that box to dump it into to start with. You can't really see with the camera, but this washi tape is gold gilded, which gives it a lovely effect. Just trimming that off. Here we go, 2 really simple pages really, but from a planning perspective, really helpful. So I decided the top was a bit bare, so I decided to put some little stars in. There we go. So these 2 pages is my monthly spend page and my meal planner, and they're broadly the same. as I've said before, I like my little boxes to fill in, so this gives me some tables to complete. And in my monthly spend, I just pop in what I need to pay, how much I need to pay, and then I capture when it's actually paid as well, so I know what's outstanding. There you go, you'll be pleased to see that I didn't make you sit and watch me draw all of those lines. So my meal planner I do for the whole month, and what I tend to do, I have a look back over the last couple of months to get ideas, and initially I'll pencil in a meal plan for the month, and then as I do my grocery list each week, I'll pop the week's meals in pen. Not only does it help give you ideas over the month, quite often I'll forget what we've got for dinner, so I have a quick look to remind myself. Just going back in with that grey pen. So as I say, it's a list of things to pay, the amount, and when I've actually paid it. Going in with a slightly darker grey for this one. Just complement the page with a bit more of that washi. There we go. I think I decided to go in, put some bullets in. So be sure to catch my next video, which is my trackers, and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you soon. Take care.